Hello, I am Makayla's drawing. We will draw a unicorn and on a unicorn. And the unicorn is on a horse driving a car that can get its ceiling off. Let's start with the head. Make space for the horn. This is a smiley face. And then we need a horn there. There. I can't wait to colours. Now let's go with the body. There. Now it's legs. 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 Now let's draw a heart with heart, 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 and then star, 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 star. There. Now it's beautiful long hair. Oh, just how beautiful. Now, let's draw the body of this next unicorn. Wait, we forgot the tail. There. Head and smiley face. Wait. Is it this unicorn? I wonder. Which should be a girl? Which was? Oh. What about hair? Long, beautiful hair. By the way. Now we need star. 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 There. Star. It's okay if you can't draw them. I'm not very good either. It's hard to draw stars. Then heart. 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 There. Now let's do the legs. Let's do the legs. Can't wait to colour it in. It's going to be so colourful. I hope we don't forget the tail again. That's like the best bit. What's your favourite bit of unicorn? Oh, really? Well, that's cool. I don't know what bit is my favourite bit. So, I think it's the horn. No, it's the long hair, the beautiful long hair. No, it's the tail. No, it's the patch on its back. I can't choose. Because do I have to commit anything? I think I'll choose... I'll choose the beautiful long hair. Now let's get with the other wheels. I was thinking too much about the Mr. Wheels. Now, this thing. So then this seat is a horsey. And pedals. And the shoes of this horsey. He's so tall he can't even fit in there. And then now he's saying, hey. What's saying? Hi. Actually, he's saying, hi. Hi. What's the window? Stops. This is not really beautiful long hair. It's not rainbowy. And its tail there. What's the best bit of a horse? That one's a bit hard. Wait, his seatbelt. Seatbelt. There's no one in this one. Wait, this is gonna be like, let's say, like, actually a cow. There's horns, because cows always have horns. And now it's leggies. Then in here, this door's sheepy. We have to push really hard for the mouth this time. Now we just need to push softly. Try and there, now we can see. Holly for the hooves. There. Now let's see. There is one more person in here. Wait, this guy needs a seatbelt. This guy needs a seatbelt. And arms. Looks like. And then there's a pig here. There. Now let's have some bread. Now colouring in the heart. Wait, and this one's hair. Remember, you need to get as beautiful as we can possibly make it. This is nice. Okay, things are getting weird here. Like, unicorn balancing on a unicorn, and then all these animals in a car with no roof. What's up with these animals? Let's see, we can draw this. There. Now, let's colour with orange. Let's see. Wait a second. We forgot the hearties here. Let's say we have some more orange. Now let's see the colours. No. Okay, now let's use some yellow. And unicorns just so colourful. My favourite bit, as I already said, but I'm going to say again, my favourite bit is the beautiful long hair. I just love that bit. Let's go back to orange and colour this one orange. And that one can be rainbow. Take the best for last. That's the best thing to do. And when you can't decide what's your best, you gather all of them as your best. And then grab the worst one and throw it out. But if you don't know which one to throw out, you just need to keep all of them. I don't know what to do. It's a bit hard. Cool. So we need yellow again. Wait a second. We need red. And let's here. 2. Now let's have a bit of light green. And some yellow. Now, light green for the beautiful long hair. Oh, okay, that's not funny anymore. Wait, it was. It's not funny anymore because I'm not doing it. But it was funny. Okay. Wait, that was just funny. That was just this for a second funny, but it's not funny anymore because it's not here. Okay, let's go with some dark green. This is a 2-color pen. Oh, never mind, go this way. Oh, never mind, our pen broke. At least we got this of it. Now we use a different one. That was funny. That's silly. That was so weird. Then let's have some light blue. Ooh, I like this one. Let's see the car's colour, this colour. We need black to access some arms. We need some hooves. There. Now, let's see any dark blue dark blue. That's a dark blue. Let's see. Dark blue. And okay, let's see about purple. We have space. Now let's do some pink. Color need to go pink. Now let's see, we do this. And now we need some brown for the horsey. Now that is a... But what about some pink, I say? And we forgot to colour the hair. Any more? Oh yeah, let's build the hair. So we're going to colour the horn with yellow. Now with the light green. And with the dark green we used, where's that gone now? Oh, that's black. I put it here. It is. I wonder. That one broke. Now we are done. Bye. Jesus loves you.